Let's get the thumbnail shot. 3, 2, 1. What's up, Weisz guys? So we're headed to the Idea Foundry right now. I just got a big shipment of cardboard. Now we're gonna try and laser cut this thing as a full-size chair. I feel like we just give it a whirl and see how it goes, you know? Alright, so now that I've gotten into the cutting, I'm finally getting a sense of scale. I'm not sure how this is gonna hold up because the way that I'm cutting these, that it's a little bit flimsier. Montages are boring, so we're just gonna get to the good bit. Let's go. Oh yeah, I guess I need to set up the light stands. See, this is what was nice about having a table at the Idea Foundry, is I didn't have to like set up all the gear every time. Remember the cameraman nod? This is what we're working with. I've got this pile of cardboard bits. Honestly, it was kind of a pain in the butt to cut, and there's a slight problem, which is that because of the quality of this cardboard, like, you kind of already see these like little wavy marks in it. That's because this is really flimsy cardboard, and I'm not sure why. It just is. So like before, I was like, all right, 80% chance this works. Now I'm like 40% chance, like maybe 30. This whole thing is 12 plies in either direction, which should, I think, be enough to hold people up. We'll see. The original model that I used was kind of cartoonishly oversized, so I think that this final version might be a little bit weird, but I mean, we're here now. Where is Z1? I need Z1. 10's a little bit wonky. And I brought a hot glue gun as backup. Y3, Y2. Dope. All right, let's start with an easy one. You got Y2, you got Z2. You should capture the most stupid parts of my entire experience assembling this thing. But it's not like a very engaging process, I don't think. It's not like, oh, holy shit, he's putting cardboard together. Whoa, that worked way better than I thought it would. I had no hope of this standing up at all. Z7 should help me. Maybe I should have done this part first. Hold on. Back to the drawing board. This was easier with a smaller thingy, just like for the record here. And this one requires more effort. So now I should be able to, fuck. Gonna give it a scooch through there. Oh, that's definitely better. That definitely looks more promising. Is that more promising? Or am I just deluded? It's more promising, right? Yeah. God. Yes. Yes. This is so much harder than it looks. I don't even know what piece this is anymore. Oh, geez. It's coming along though. Like this, hey, it's a chair. I'm happy with that part. Hashtag that moment when you're assembling a thing out of cardboard and you're off by one. That's relatable, right? That can be a meme. Oh, no. Everything is fine. This is gonna be a good size, actually. So if you look at this chair and then you look at that chair, they're like actually more similar in scale than I thought they were. Like, yeah, like my ass will fit in there. You getting a bus shot? Yeah. I wonder where everyone is right now.
Steve is here.
Oh, Steve is here? No, this is pretty good. I can work with this. Ideally. Oh, hell yeah. I should have used hot glue. This is the least ideal time. Does the camera still have battery?
Oh, usually there are bars in my.
Yeah, don't worry about that part. I'm using 100% super legit Canon batteries. They're so legit that they don't show the power bars. Get in there. Yeah. Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble. All right, come here. You're about to become part of the build crew. Take your hand, hold right there. All right, you feel it wobbling? Don't let it wobble. How you doing? You hanging in there?
This is a balance equation problem.
It really is, like genuinely. Boom! I got it. All right, you can let go. Thanks.
Well.
And just ease it. Hey, that worked. That actually looks pretty good. Ta-da! It's done. This is the chair. Here, let me stand behind it like a proud father with his son at a sporting event. All right. All right, I've been waiting for this. Oh yeah, I can feel it molding to my butt. All right. That's a chair. Yeah, I am really putting my weight on this. Hey Steve, you want to come sit in a chair made out of cardboard? Yeah. All right, get in here.
Why?
Here, come here, get over here. You're gonna want to like ease yourself into it, but you're just gonna want to put your like butt like right there. Just slowly sit down and then just like lean back.
Wow.
It'll like mold to your butt a little bit, that squish.
This is impressive.
Isn't it? It's way better than I thought it would be. I feel like it's not a long-lasting chair though. Like you can feel it like...
It would get, if it got wet, it would just be gone.
Well, and also part of it is, can you see the like ridges in this cardboard?
Yeah, that's pretty thin.
It's really crappy cardboard.
Yeah.
Like I've used much better cardboard.
Wait, did you like make this?
Yeah, I laser cut it.
Oh shit, that's awesome. I assumed it was just like a thing you could like buy.
Oh gosh, that would be awesome. Guys, leave a comment down below if we should sell sets.
Dude, you could.
I think that well...
IKEA, but that is good.
Yeah.
This is sweet. No, seriously, like if you could, I bet you could do this out of wood.
Oh, you could definitely do it out of
And
wood.
you could also theoretically just take it back apart and just have a stack and then transport it.
That, I think that that's one of my favorite parts.
IKEA, but worse.
What's the material cost on this? Like,
It was like probably $36 for all of the stuff, and because I ordered it from Office Max, the delivery was free. So it's like a $36 chair, I guess. $36 armchair. Thinking that maybe, like, I could do this as an art project, and I could try to do it with USPS priority mail flat rate boxes, because they're free, technically.
Yeah.
You can order them for free.
a lot of potential there.
A lot of potential. Thanks, Steve. Shout out to Steve.
Oh, it's nice. I'm worried. I don't want to lean back too
You
much.
can lean back. Man, would you buy one for your home?
No, but I'm cheap as hell. I would make one.
Not even for $30?
No, if I could, $30, I'd get a foldable chair for $30.
Like a lawn chair? For inside your home? Ugh. You got me in it? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this one, make sure to leave a comment down below if there's another piece of furniture you'd like me to make. Also leave a comment if you want me to sell kits. This is dumb. I will leave links, all of the files down in the description. Chair that I found on Thingiverse, so you guys can go check those out and thank the guy who like originally modeled it or whatever. If you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, let me know. If you hated this video and you want to see stuff that is completely different, also let me know.
Don't ask for hate mail.
And then if you want to support me on Patreon so that I can do more awesome projects like this, you can tap the link right here. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Go. This thing really needs glue.